See for yourself how cool it is and how well it works. The DJI Normal 2 is, in my opinion, the most consumer-friendly packaging design among all robotic vacuum cleaners. The base station and the vacuum itself are packaged separately, making it very convenient to carry. Other accessories are simple and clear: antibacterial cleaning solution and stain remover. The power cord and base plate are gone, making it easy for beginners to use. Let's start with the first impression, its appearance. This is a major selling point of DJI robotic vacuum cleaners. This is the flagship Normal 2. The fully transparent capsule-shaped base station, when placed in the living room, doesn't look like an appliance at all. It looks more like a high-tech home decoration. The transparent shell allows you to directly see the internal water and air duct structure. The chamfered edges are very finely finished. There's no cheap plastic feel. The top has the clean water tank and wastewater tank. Moving to the center front, you can pull down and open it. The right side has the main body, and the left side has the compartments for antibacterial and stain-removing cleaning solutions. The main unit also has a semi-transparent frosted body. The integrated box design is different from mainstream models. It opens to the side. The machine is only 97 mm thick, easily reaching low places, like under sofas and beds. Next, 1000 pascal suction power. Here, we placed a bunch of sunflower seed shells and crunchy snacks. To increase the difficulty, we deliberately placed a data cable and a Swiss Army knife in the middle. The cable is also white, making it difficult to identify. The mode setting is strong and 2 times. Surprisingly, we didn't select hurricane mode. Let's look directly at its performance. Notice how excellent the DJI ROMO 2's obstacle avoidance capabilities are. The front-facing LiDAR, dual-lens fisheye sensor, and side-mounted top sensor all effectively avoid data cables and Swiss Army knives during the sweeping process. However, you can also see that the dual-side brushes cause some debris to be scattered, which is a common problem in the industry. For this, NORCAT has a solution. Simply turn on particulate pressure cleaning in the cleaning settings. Let's see the results again. Isn't this completely different from the scene where the shells were being swept away? The dual-side brushes are much slower, so there's absolutely no scattering. And when passing through the area with the sunflower seed shells, they even slowed down and increased suction power, cleaning very thoroughly. Next, let's simulate mopping. We'll use soy sauce to simulate the occasional wet spots during a regular mop. The mode we'll use is standard water volume and a standard route. Remember, you also need to select Clean in the liquid settings. You'll see General Normal on. After detecting the liquid, it first defines the affected area and then mops the surrounding areas first. Finally, it extends its long legs and uses a zigzag mopping path, not only cleaning thoroughly, but also ensuring that even large stains won't soil other areas. Regarding its mop cleaning performance, we specifically tested it in an extreme environment, directly exposing it to cola, soy sauce, and fermented bean paste. Let's open the machine and see how filthy the mop was. Next, let's compare its cleaning performance. As you can see, while it's not completely restored to its original state, it's basically clean. Washing the mop with 80-degree high-temperature water, that's quite good. Currently, almost all robot vacuums and mops on the market have a built-in simultaneous cleaning function, but often the base isn't cleaned properly. Let's look at the performance of the Totoro O. As you can see, apart from a little dirt on the inner wall of the suction port, which is indeed a bit too extreme compared to the previous test, the bottom of the base station is completely clean, requiring no manual wiping. This ensures long-term cleanliness and hygiene. Of course, compared to the above, the feature that I'm most satisfied with in actual use is the 123-degree radar and the super-wide swing robotic arm. This robotic arm is truly amazing. Whether it's a simple edge or the edge under the refrigerator, it can easily reach it. Even under very complicated chair legs, it can dynamically adjust its position along the table legs. As long as it's not a particularly extreme corner, it can basically clean all the hair, truly achieving a thorough cleaning of the whole house. In the past week of using it, my biggest impression of Normo is that it's worry-free and easy to use. Even the corners can be covered. It's a sweeping and mopping all-in-one machine with automatic dust collection, mop cleaning and drying.